Hey everyone, a lot of you have given me some crap about my last video about review on this Makita nailer here, and the reason I got it was because I didn't want to buy a pneumatic nailer because I didn't want to lug around a tank all the time, and I had to do a lot of trim on the house and redoing an office for the wife and the yakety schmackities, and I thought, well, you know what, if I can just get one nailer that'll do everything, fine, I'll just get this one and it'll be, it'll work out perfect. And I wanted to make an update video to this review just to prove what a giant pile of crap this thing is. And I've done everything everybody told me to do, and it still is a giant pile of junk. And let me show you why. And I know I got ratioed for it, and people got upset at me, and they said, you don't know what you're doing, it's fine, you're a moron. Let me show you something that I learned, because this doesn't actually drive what it's supposed to drive. It says it'll take a 2-inch nail. It won't actually drive the damn nail, which is why I went out and bought this thing, because this $40 pneumatic nailer, entry-level thing included with the tank was under 200 bucks. This thing was definitely well over $200. So let me just show you what I'm dealing with, okay? What I've got here, I'm building myself a drawer for there's a nice big walnut desk I'm making for the wife there, sitting on the ground, and this is the drawer for it. So I've got myself a piece of 5/4 maple sitting in, just white hard maple sitting in the vise here, and this was the top trim for her office. And what had happened was I thought, no big deal, I'll just grab this thing, even if it's just a little bit I can tap in the nail, it's not the end of the world. So let's do a comparison between these two, and I have taken everybody's advice. Okay, we're going to use the same exact nail. I have gone through, just so everybody know, I did take this top part off, greased everything, works just fine. I'm going to go ahead and set the dial all the way in, just so you know for sure. Okay, we have a fresh battery, so that's not the issue. Go ahead and plug that in. Boom. All right, we're going to load each of these with the same exact 2-inch 18 gauge nail from the same pack. Okay, do a apples to apples sort of bit, right? So you know I'm not not trying to cheat you or nothing. Okay, we're gonna pack them right in there, nice and tight. I will say the magazine on this is much nicer than this one. This one's it's a bit sketchy, but for $40, what do you get? So here we go. Let's test her out. All right, first up, the Makita. Yeah, 2-inch brad nail, 5/4 piece of hard white maple, 2-inch nail, designed to take 18 gauge brads all the way up to 2. I have got the dial set all the way as far as she'll go. Here we go. Well, let's see what happens. I'm going to push medium pressure. Whoops. Whoopsies. We missed it. We missed it by a good 1/2 inch at least. Okay, I'll push a little harder this time. Oh, now we're 3/4 of an inch out. Light pressure, okay? Just so you know I'm not cheating, right? Real light pressure, barely touching it. Yep, still at least 3/8 out, okay? Let's switch it up to the $40 one, pneumatic nailer. Light pressure, okay? One-handed, light pressure, not pushing hard. All the way through, perfectly smooth. See if you can get a good look at that. 1, 2, 3 from the Makita nailer, okay? 1, 2, 3, all of them sticking out at least 3/8, 1/2 inch there, 3/4 there. Barely any pressure at all. I don't even have this thing plugged in. It's just got, it's residual air left over. So there's probably only 80 pounds in it. Okay, let's push hard this time. Push a little harder. Perfectly flush. Actually, maybe we're in a 16th or so, maybe a 32nd. This one with the medium pressure, just kind of barely touched up against it. Probably needs to be pounded in a little bit. But the proof is right here, fellas. The thing don't work. They say it work, but she don't work. It's good for small jobs. That's what it is. That's all it's good for, is small jobs. I would not use this for any sort of trim or anything that's got more than 1.5 inch nail in it. That thing, all day long, right out of the box, no fiddling, no muss, didn't have to touch a damn thing in nothing in it. No adjustment needed. Drove a 2-inch nail all the way through, right to the stud. $40. $200, less than $200, even with the air compressor that came with it, straight from the usual place. So those of you who've been giving me crap about, oh, you just don't know how to use it and you're not using it right and you're abusing tools and you don't deserve tools and yada 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 yakety schmacketies, maybe it's the tool. You ever thought about that? That maybe it's not this guy, it's this guy. So save your money. I love you, Makita. Look at this. Plenty of Makita tools. It's not like I don't hate you. You make good stuff. I like it. There's several more over here. Trust me, it's good stuff. AVE was the one who turned me on to it when he took several of these things apart. You make good quality tools. You really do. But not this one. Save your money. Get the screw ye, whatever it is you want to do, or hell, even this little cheap $40 guy with a coupon. I think it was $1.75 for the whole package. But I mean seriously. Again, watch. We just watch. See? No issues. All the way through. Every single time. Way faster. It's not exactly as portable, but at least it drives the nail all the way through the board. That's more important to me than portability at this point. So anyway, save your money. Don't buy this $300-400, whatever it is. Buy one of these, save yourself some money, and be done with it. So anyway, see ya.